disgusting, grimy. That's just the power steering. Oh my god! This thing was pretty dirty, so we just ended up washing everything. Rear balance still off, getting paint. Cookies look nice and fresh. Skirts just got done with the paint. We can go pick them up. Check it out. Oh yeah. Looks mint.
Ready? Ready? Let's pass the damn hump.
You're on it. Alright. The estate. Kitty. Now back in the garage. Okay, so this motor mount was literally finger tight, and it's garbage. Look at it. This thing's freaking fried. So I just got done blowing all this out with the air hose and wiping it down with the towel, and it looks pretty good. It looks a lot better than it did. Like this was all like grimy and disgusting. I mean, yeah, that's surface rust. That's not going anywhere. That's fine. It's whatever. I mean, up here, it's chipping, but plans for it are to clean all this out, take all this out, drop everything down, and use the same bed liner. It's not typical bed liner. It's really smooth and matte black bed liner that looks really good, and we're just gonna respray this entire thing, this entire bay, and make it look nice. And another thing that I didn't film, because while I was studying for finals, my dad came out here and mounted the intercooler. Looks pretty majestic, I'd say. You know what? It was off a little bit. See, like all the lines right here. It was off a little bit, and it really bothered me. But now it's like perfectly symmetrical in this bottom line. I don't know, just oddly satisfying. Also, rest in peace clutch. XD Stage 2 organic rip. Possibly Stage 1, I don't even know. I feel like the guy lied. But the guy before me did install this, and it is time for a new clutch. So, Stage 2 White Bunny coming soon. Now, if I was just putting the stock KA back in, this clutch would be fine to run. But it does have some wear on it. Let's see if I get this in focus. There we go. I mean, you could tell, like, I mean, it's just not gonna cut it, especially with 300 horsepower. I mean, it probably won't even last that long. So I was gonna get a new clutch. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to break it in for 500 miles, so I won't be able to do mean pulls in this thing. But I'll probably just go out and drive 500 miles in one day. Yeah, no, I'm completely joking. But I probably will try to get 500 miles in on the new clutch before, I don't know, I'll probably try to do it in these 3 days. So I can start ripping it, honestly. I'm ready. Look at how nice this bell housing looks compared to what it was. Like it was seriously black. So one day when I watch this video, I remember this. And I get to watch the progression too, which I think is going to be really cool. So, thanks for watching.